Hello, my name is Masayuki Matsushita. I'm 2 years ago qualified elite series, Bassmaster elite series. I fished this year second year. This is my home in America. まずこれを開けて about maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, all done. This kit, cap is an ARE company, and this kit is a top lift company. I use. Yeah, this is camper style. This style is a very lightweight, easy driving, and quick moving. Yes. My tournament season very easy, everywhere moving. Very good. I like this style. This is my style. American stay time every day sleeping here. This is my good style. I make inside of I make all air conditioner and microwave. Use outside plug, fridge, battery system. I have 2 solar panel. Every time use battery in fridge. And this is air conditioner. This I make my custom. Very good. My food is inside the fridge, and main food is this is rice, cold rice. Tournament day, I don't have a time every day fishing, come back, make food and sleep. Every time this routine. This is very easy. This inside the microwave, 2 minutes, make a food. And sometimes eat this one and this one. This is a Japan food. My fishing tackle storage. And this here, I make a storage. This is the bait, everything, and the fishing reel, and the boat cover, and the fishing tackle all inside. I make this.